Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to go over how to find your previous versions, as many people from my other video are saying, oh my gosh, I don't have it. So you haven't turned it on. I want you to Windows E or open File Explorer. Windows E will do that. And I want you to right click on your documents. And I want you to go down to Properties. You can also Alt Enter and your properties will open, and it will open. And then you're going to Control Tab or click on previous versions. If it says there are no previous versions available, it's because it is turned off. So let me show you how to turn this on. You go out of here. I want you to press your Windows key, type in CON, and we're going to go to your control panel. Okay, and enter on control panel. And you're going to see System and Security, and I want you to click on that or tab to it, enter and open it. And then you're going to tab down, or you're going to locate File History, and I want you to click on that. Okay, and right here, tab to Turn On. Okay, you turn this on, and now your file history is going to start populating, copying from files from libraries, desktop, and favorites. Now I want to show you something when you go back here. So you can go to file history, restore your files from file history. You have to have that on. But this is not the only thing you have to have on. So those who have been really blessed already had this automatically on, great. I'm just showing you two things you have to do. One is this, and the other is a restore point. So I want you to hit your start key, and I want you to type in restore, and it says create a restore point, which you hit enter on that. And when you get a brand new machine, these are off. These are off. Now I have nothing on disk D, so I have that off. And as soon as I start using disk D, I'll turn it on. Windows C by default, don't ask me why, is off. You need to turn that on. Otherwise, you have no restore points and file history will not work well. So the next thing I want you to do is tab or click on configure. Turn on system protection. You're going to be on disable. That's what it's by default. It is off. You want to turn this on. And based on how big your drive is, you can turn on 2 or 3%. And then you click OK. Now, once you have that and your file history all set up, then you will get restore points. I always like to create a good, you're going to create a report and say file history and histories set up or whatever. And then when your machine really mucks up, you can come back to System Restore and click on that, and it populates, and you click Next. And you always want to do more than one. So restore your computer in the state that it was, and typically it's the last update that really kind of kills it. If you want more, click Next, and then of course scan for expected programs, and then finish, and then your computer will actually go back to the latest update to fix that. So there are your major fix areas, but just make sure your system restore is on, turn on your file history, life will get good. And while I have you here, I'm going to tell you if your computer is having issues finding stuff, it could be your indexing options also. So hit your Windows key, type in indexing. You're going to see indexing options or hear that if you're a screen reader user. Now, I have a fairly new machine, so it's not even 400,000 yet. But if you see only 50,000 or 60,000, your computer is not indexed. You're going to go ahead and tab to modify or click on modify. And once again, by default, your C drive is off. You need that checked. And typically, your Windows is not checked either. That means it is not scanning your program. So when you hit your Windows key, it's struggling to find anything. Turn those on, click OK, and your computer immediately starts indexing. If you've never done this before, it's going to take hours, just so you know that. But once you get that index, your computer is going to work so much better and faster. Okay, so those are the tricks in System Restore, getting that set up properly so you will never have issues when you lose files. Because man, oh man, we are humans and files like to disappear, much to our great chagrin. Okay, we'll see you in the next YouTube video from TechVision.